Grazie Roberto, buona piega. Thank you very much.
Guys, I just got the keys to a new apartment and I'm very excited to check in today. I was thinking, since my trading lately got really better, I think I deserve an upgrade. So I went ahead and looked for a nice flat. I'm just very excited to check it out. So here's the entrance. Ooh, that's amazing! Look at this! Look at the view here. Oh my gosh! This is insane! It looks like a luxury boat. Look at this little table outside of the view. Woo! That's the apartment I was really dreaming of. Look at that! Look at this! Nice! Amazing! There's even one espresso machine. I will love it as an Italian. And here I think is where I'm gonna build up my trading station. With this view, my trading is just going to be amazing. So, first day of trading from Dublin. I settled down here. In right about 10 minutes, I was able to look up $320 almost on this ALKS. Here's the daily chart here. It was actually gapping up on a positive news. Just looking at the daily here, you can see the 20 exponential moving average here acting as a possible resistance. But just looking at the daily and knowing there is a gap up, it doesn't mean the trade has just the potential to go higher. So if you can look here in this gray area, pre-market action. It was actually going up, but then the trend, as you can see, was actually going lower. So I entered here as it broke. I was able to lock out half of my position in profit here, and then I stopped out the rest. In about here, like 9 minutes, I locked out more than $300. I called that in the chat room, and a lot of fellow traders and members were able to lock some big profit on it. Of course, first day in Dublin and it's raining. I'm actually headed to my first breakfast in Dublin. That was amazing. Everything was perfect. I love this place, I love the breakfast. So, I had a fantastic breakfast here, loving spoon for 11 euros. Wow, was great. I am moving on to some real Irish experience. Hello, I reserved tour Airbnb.
So there's your ticket, this is for your taste of the tour, this is for your Airbnb experience afterwards.
We're then going to go in and see the distillation process. We're then going to look at the maturation process before finishing up with the whiskey tasting.
Very strong.
On key.
Master of the keys.
There we go. Perfect. Cheers, man. We haven't seen it anywhere.
Yeah, okay. It's crazy, just me in the huge bar.
Our take on a Mai Tai. So it's a whiskey Mai Tai essentially. It pays homage to Irish slaves in the Caribbean. So they were all on sugar plantations, working harder than any other people there. Their clothes were in tatters. They burned their legs, so they rebelled. And that rebellion was known as the Red Leg Rebellion. There we go. You can need a really hard hand.
Okay.
And then here we are.
Secret.
Now this one's nice and sweet. You're gonna drink and then you're gonna drink more and more and then after the 10th one, your legs don't work. We will garnish a bit of mint. You want to create a little flower, and we'll just give it a slap, make sure that the mint activates. There you go. That one's ready to drink.
Looks amazing. Very good, very smooth, very
We're easy
sweet.
to drink, it's too easy.
This was
beer.
absolutely amazing.
Now the Irish coffee, it's basically very simple. You can have coffee,
Okay.
whiskey and sugar, and then cream on top. And now comes the magic. It's just normal cream.
Oh, okay, so
And you just give it a bit of a
gives
shake.
Okay.
That's just gonna stay on top. And you drink this like a Guinness through the cream. Now we also grate on a tiny bit of nutmeg. Taste is more about the smell. And there you go, one fantastic Irish coffee.
Wow, nutmeg on top.
Bit of nutmeg on top.
It's amazing.
So you got the
I
bit
love
of the
it.
coolness of the cream, the coffee
I
smell.
absolutely love it. I wrap up my day, and before going to bed, I always like to dedicate some time to relaxing activity. There is some books that I've read that I really find valuable for my trading. Only one of those is Trade Mindfully. This is a really great book. I think this is specifically one of the best trading books about the psychology that's behind trading. That's not a sponsor, not getting paid for saying any of this. Yeah, that's it today. I think it's time just to go to bed. Good morning! Alright, I am ready to attack a new day now. So, getting prepared for my morning walk? Alright, but first, I need to do something really stupid. Don't try to do this at your home.
Thank you so much, sir.
I'm originally from Italy, so I'm kind of used to.
You're used to the sun, yeah, you're tan, I can see. Yeah. Sun is rare. That's why we drink outside.
You think it's rare?
It's rare, yeah. That's why we celebrate it.
Yeah, it's amazing today. Huh?
Very beautiful, isn't it?
It is. Hey man!
Go the All Blacks! Go the All Blacks!
The All Blacks?
Go the All Blacks!
You like rugby? What is that?
Yeah, of course. Go the All Blacks!
Actually today I want to talk about timing. So today I closed down $111, but the funny thing is that I was right. So how did that happen? I was watching Netflix after last night had strong earnings, as you can see here. In after hours after the earnings were announced, it shot up 20 points. And I was watching it thinking this would have probably have a continuation. And so I was looking to get in long as soon as a strong sign of strength would have triggered. I went long here on this one green candle when it pushed above VWAP and it was about to push above, but actually I anticipated it a little too much. The timing was really important. What ended up happening was this rejection here. This first rejection, when I got stopped out, it lost the 13 exponential moving average, so I decided to stop out for a small loss. But then I got distracted for a second and this happened to set up again, and this time it just worked. It shot up like 7 points from this 331 level without looking back. But since I missed the right entry, I'm never gonna chase an entry. That's okay. I was still right, but timing wasn't right. That's a good part about trading. You keep learning every day from your plans, from your execution, for your mistakes, and eventually you implement readjustment and corrective actions moving forward. Tonight I'm going to meet up with traders in a pub, and I'm really excited. I think I'm gonna finally try the real Guinness beer. Sebastian?
Sebastian.
Okay. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
You trade? Do you like trading?
I day trade, yeah.
Oh, nice. Do it like full time or it's like just?
full-time.
That's cool. I'm here with Kevin.
Hello, how are you? It's recording now, is it?
It is.
Oh, hi, how are you? Kevin here.
I'm here with Matt, the trader, looking for water trading now. So Matt is moving to Malta at the end of the year to achieve your dream. That's cool. That's very cool. We have a dream as traders.
We got a dream, mate. Yeah. We got
What's
a dream.
the dream?
It's a big dream.
What's the dream?
The dream is you get a laptop, you go to the beach, you trade, you make lots of money, have a great life. What more do you want?
And that's not Paul's dream, it's everyone.
Everyone's dream.
Alright. So it's been a great meetup. We may have meetups coming up with them. So let's see. I had just another good day of trading. So I'm actually closing today up almost $360 on IBM. This one opened up and it was right at this green line here, you can see, which is the 200 simple moving average on the daily. It opened right into it. At first it pushed, but I was patient. I basically took it short as soon as it failed the 152 level. It made a nice run all the way to 150. In the chat, me and Mike both traded it. The time we went short, when we covered, what price. A lot of other guys in chat took advantage of it. Just keep it going. Time to go. Real Irish food experience. Food tour is about to start. So you're gonna be famous.
Hello! Welcome to Dublin!
Okay, so you're more like an investor. You know? Yeah. Buy and hold. Yeah. Interesting. Thank you so much.
This gorgeous building, hard to believe, used to be a cigarette factory.
Second stop. Gallagher and Co. Bristol. Okay, cool. Is the fish and chips really like special? Like
It's borrowed from the UK a little bit, which a lot of our restaurant food would be, I suppose.
okay.
But it is a very Irish thing, yeah.
I'd probably go for it. It's really good, Fish and chips. It's good, huh?
It's delicious.
Yeah, delicious.
I think it's too tall, it's too...
I'm here with
Christian.
Christian.
Yeah.
And you knew about water trading?
Yeah, I did
Right.
actually, yeah.
Nice, okay.
Yeah. So I've seen one or two of your videos there.
Oh,
and
that's
yeah,
cool.
good
Yeah.
inspirational. You know, you seek inspiration and just went to YouTube and then typed in trading. Yeah, I saw your
That's
video,
cool.
yeah. And now I just subscribed, so
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
One more like fun viewers. I love it. And that's where we're gonna have our dessert.
Picking a Pan Am plane, technology probably doesn't.
Go with a strong one. Enough. Oopsie.
You're going to pour your cream over the back of the spoon. Voila! The idea that Joe Sheridan had was to make it look like another famous Irish drink. Guinness!
how can you drink this with a beer?
Thank you, Justin. It's been amazing.
Thank you!
Thank you for all. I love
Grazie
it.
mille, tutti italiano.
Alright, tonight I'm gonna be hosting a private dinner here with Matt and Paul. And I'm going to be the chef, which will be composed by pasta alla carbonara and a second dish, which is basically a dessert, crepe alla Nutella. But first of all, I need to get all the ingredients, so I came here to this fresh market. Cover it. Or
Hey. Hi.
We have Matt just joining.
Very good. Thanks for inviting.
Oh, it's
That's
fine.
really nice. So
It's my pleasure. So we had also Paul joining here. The place.
Fantastic place, man. Absolutely.
You like
awesome.
it?
This is about as good as you get in Dublin.
So let's have some food, right?
Trading. Yeah.
Cheers, guys.
Awesome.
Cheers.
Awesome.
Awesome.
Yeah,
Thanks for
fantastic,
coming,
man.
We just discovered Matt was actually a firefighter for 6 years.
Yeah, a long time ago.
Possibly one of the smartest people I've ever met.
More like, get rich quick kind of stuff. It doesn't work that way, right?
Yeah, I think if you...
You go, man.
Thanks, buddy. Every time I invest, I'm like, okay, this is for the long term. I'm just gonna leave it there. I'm not gonna touch it at all. And then I end up selling it. Only way to go for your trading education. Warrior trading. Did I even say it right?
I didn't pay him, man. That's...
Yeah. Looking at
Look at this.
Bitcoin.
Meanwhile,
Yeah.
recipe, you should use
I
that.
happen to be a professional pepper grinder, a peppercorn grinding school. I studied for 3 years. Every single day you go into work, you're gonna say, I'm gonna be the best pepper grinder ever. This is the special. And of course, I won the World Pepper Grinding Competition in 2017.
How was it?
Oh mon dieu, mon dieu. Do you mind if I lick my plate?
Even more. You ready for the flip? 3,
Here we go.
2, 1.
Alright.
Go for it, man.
Whoa. Come to daddy.
Put like charcoal in the
I'll quit tomorrow. What are we doing? Where are we going? London? Can I come?
Go to London. Yeah, of course.
Mate, okay.
Absolutely.
Tomorrow's a perfect day. I've got like 20 meetings, so I'll be happy to get out them.
Exactly.
I'm gonna chuck some around. Keyboards and monitors and paper.